Just to give you an example, in the work I've been doing on the future of the EU and the future of the US, I've been looking at the possibility of reindustrialization in the US, what they call reshoring of jobs as opposed to offshoring, and looking at technological innovation in that. Well, one of the most interesting things that I've found is the invention of 3D printing. I take it that most people here will know what 3D printing is. It's, again, a sort of unbelievable technological breakthrough because in 3D printing, a computer no longer talks to another computer. A computer actually makes something in the physical world. You make it through the computer. If you're wearing a shoe, as I presume you are, a 3D printer can actually make a pretty good shoe now, comparable to that made by a human worker. And the MIT lab, which works on 3D printing, is trying to produce a system which will print whole systems, not just print objects, and sees this as something which is going to happen in the relatively near future. If you can print a whole system, you could print a whole device out of your computer. The guy who's running this program at MIT says he wants to design a plane, ultimately, which will fly directly out of the computer. Not just a plane which is designed on the computer, but which will fly directly out of it. And this is not just the future, this is here, because digital production is likely to produce a revolution, I think, in manufacturing. And the point of it is you can bring it back locally. You don't need to import from China or import across the rest of the world. You can do it locally through your computer, but within a global network. So it has many, many implications. And it's a kind of, risk, opportunity, kind of edge, really, in the future of manufacturing.